DNC-HD7 is an underwater 3G SDI camera designed for marine applications and underwater filming. Key features and specifications of this camera: compact and lightweight design. It weighs only 58 grams, making it ideal for use with long extension telescopic poles. 15-meter cable that combines 3G SDI, remote control, and power feed into one. Adjustable lens focus. The lens can focus on objects as close as 8 centimeters away, allowing for detailed close-up shots. 125-degree wide-angle lens. Remote control for adjusting camera settings in real time during live view. Power options. It can be powered by a 12-volt 7.4-volt battery. Applications: underwater rescue operations, employed in professional settings like the Marine Mammal Health Program. Broadcast and research, suitable for live underwater broadcasting and marine research requiring real-time monitoring.